Hey guys, today I'll show you how to import your passwords from LastPass into Dashlane. First, log into the Dashlane web app. Go to My Account, then Settings, and select Import Data. From the import sources, select LastPass. Then choose the Directly from LastPass option and follow the prompt to log into your LastPass account. After logging in, you'll return to Dashlane to unlock your data for import. Enter your LastPass credentials again and click on Unlock Data. You'll get a preview of the data you're trying to import. Choose where you want to save it, and once everything is set, click on Import Items. You'll then get a message that import was successful. If direct import doesn't work, you can export your data from LastPass as a CSV file. Log into LastPass, go to Advanced Options in the lower portion of the left sidebar, and choose Export. You'll have to verify this action via email, and once that's done, click on the same Export button on the LastPass dashboard. Then enter your credentials to download the Vault data as CSV. Next, back in Dashlane, use the Import from CSV option. Upload the LastPass exported CSV file, then confirm the import. After the import, review your Vault to make sure everything transferred correctly. Then delete the CSV file from your computer as it is unencrypted and poses a security risk. And that's how you import passwords from LastPass to Dashlane. Thanks for watching.